Want to build and explore your own world with friends in LEGO Fortnite? Let's get started. It's super easy. Here's how. Launch LEGO Fortnite from the main menu and click on Select World. Let's create a new world. You can choose your game mode. Here we have Cozy, Survival, Sandbox, or Expert. Choose Cozy if you want a relaxing time. Combat is easier and you can take your time to progress through the story. Choose this when you're new to survival games. Choose Survival if you want an experience intended for the average player. Choose this if you've had some experience in open world survival games. Next, we have Sandbox. Want to focus on building? Choose this to push your creativity to the limit. And lastly, choose Expert if you're looking for a challenge. Use this to test your skills. Name your world and adjust the settings to your liking. Next, let's look at inviting friends to your world. Once you're inside your world, open the pause menu. On PC, you can do that by pressing the tab button. Now, let's go to the Friends menu. It's this button right here. Select Invite Players. You can choose friends from your Epic Games list and send the invite. To let friends join anytime, use the Share Key option. You can do this by clicking on their name and clicking on Sharing a Key. Send it to your friends so they can enter it and join your world even when you're not around. And that's it. Now you and your friends can create, explore, and have fun together in LEGO Fortnite. Happy building!